Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about how reversing erectile dysfunction could save your life. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. A new study has found that men who suffer from ED are 2 times more likely to have a heart attack, cardiac arrest, or a stroke. These numbers are compared to a matched group not suffering from erectile dysfunction. High blood pressure and elevated cholesterol levels are 2 top causes of ED. They are also 2 of the top causes of heart attack, cardiac arrest, or stroke. Researchers have claimed that ED is a better indicator of heart disease than other risk factors such as high cholesterol and high blood pressure. And this was not a small study. The research was done including almost 2,000 participants. This latest research is the strongest indicator of a link between ED and cardiovascular risk so far. The results of the research are a clear indication that seeking treatment and comprehensive cardiovascular evaluation is most important for men suffering from ED. One of the best long-term strategies to tackle erectile dysfunction and cardiovascular issues is lifestyle changes. These changes include modifying diet, controlling weight, and increasing exercise. Unfortunately, modifying lifestyle is hard to do and hard to maintain. That is why I choose supplements to maintain my cardiovascular system and eliminate any ED issues. And you are way ahead of the game if, like me, you use Pro-Arginine. For more information, click the link below this video to see my ED repair page. And if you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. Thanks for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.